Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And have I got something interesting for you? I just recently got this radio from Raddy. They sent it to me for review. I've reviewed several of their radios, and I've liked every one of their radios. And if we'll move this out of the way, there's the box that it comes in. And would you believe it's under this? That tiny little radio that does so many things. It's AM, FM, shortwave, Bluetooth speaker, a TF card player. It's unbelievable. It's just, I can't believe all the stuff that's in this little tiny radio. Now, let me show you what it comes with. And this is just going to be an introduction, because I'm still learning how to use it, because the switches and everything are multi-function. So let me show you what it comes with. Comes with a charging cable, or can be used as a power source. And the battery, it comes with a battery, a tiny little one of those flat cell phone batteries. That's what it comes with. And let me dig some more stuff out of here. It's got some really surprising accessories. Okay, there's a carrying strap. There's nothing unusual about that. But it comes with a carabiner. Nothing unusual about that. What do you think this is for? It's got a USB connector on that end and a phono type connector on this end. This is how you hook up your earbuds with this thing via the USB port. So the USB port is used for charging and for audio output. Now, here's something you will not believe. Let me take it out of the bag so you can see it a little better. Well, I can't get it out of the bag easily right now. So, look at that. Look at that little medium wave antenna that plugs in the top. Can you believe that thing? That is unbelievable. This radio is unbelievable. Now, the manual that it comes with is right here, and it's extensive. Oh my gosh. Just the information about the radio is 15 pages. Then it's like some of the other Raddy radios. This, you can use your cell phone in an application and control it with your cell phone. There's kind of a picture of the application. You've seen this before, because I've reviewed other radios that use this interface. Pretty cool. So this thing has so many features. It's unbelievable. I'm just overwhelmed. So like I say, this is going to be just an introduction, because I've got a lot of learning to do. Now, what I did is I took this manual. You can download the manual in PDF, and I converted it to Word so that I can, number one, read it real easily. And there's a page out of it. Full pages, chock with information, and take notes. I'm going to have to take notes. It's going to take me a while to learn how to use all these functions. The shortwave band, for instance, is 4.75 megahertz to 21.85 megahertz. It has automatic tuning and storing. Yes. It has all kinds of fancy lights. Let me put that down. Let me put this down over here. I'm going to try to turn it on for you. I'll briefly go over some of the controls. Okay, let me move things up, because this is little. And I'm going to turn another light on to help show it to you a little better. Here we go. And I hope my camera will cooperate and focus for me. Over here, this is where the TF card goes, right behind this little flap right there. Oh, I turned it on. The top one is multiple function also, but it's mainly the power button. The bottom one is mainly the lock button and for signaling SOS. Okay, over here we have, and I'll open it right there, there is the tiny USB port, which, like I said before, you use this adapter to connect your earbuds. Wow. Crazy thing right here, I don't know if it'll show up very well. That's a level. That's a level, a bubble level. A bubble level. It has a number of lights. It's got 2 lights here. They're just for looks right here. And then it has a volume light up the top. I'll try to show it to you. This is a multi-function switch. And what I mean by multi-function, to do certain things, you push it down. To do other things, you push it from side to side. Unbelievable. There's the carrying strap handle right there. This is the telescopic, very tiny telescopic antenna. It's about 15 inches. Surprisingly, you can pick up shortwave on that. It does not have an external antenna connector. This little slide button opens the battery compartment right there. So you can replace the battery, which like I said, it's one of those little flat cell phone batteries. Okay, I'm probably going to forget some things. I haven't figured out if there's any purpose for this. It doesn't seem like it, but it rotates. I think I'm just about finished going over it. I'll see if I can turn it on. Okay, that is the TF card. That's some music from the YouTube free music library. There's the clock. You can change how long the backlight stays on. I have set it to whenever I've got something it's doing, even playing the music, the backlight stays on. That'll make it easier for me to demonstrate things. You can have it turn off over a time period, or you can just keep it off, no backlight at all. There's lights down in here when you're using this switch, as you may have seen, and I'll turn it on briefly. See the light up there? Isn't that wild? We turn that off. It's amazing, and it's got so many things on the display. Now, I admit the display is small, so I'm struggling a little bit with the small display, but it's got all these icons. Let me show you. I have that page printed out. I'm going to show you that to you, if I can find it. Oh, I thought I had it right here. Oh, stand by. I am confused. There it is. There it is. Okay. There is all the things that can be turned on this display. There's the level, signal level, which will, it's like a bar that goes across. There's the indication of an antenna. the mode, FM, AM, shortwave, and weather. I forgot about weather band. I forgot about that. Yeah, I just totally forgot about that. Anyway, whether you're in the mode tuning the presets, whether you've locked the keyboard, the time, the frequency, sleep mode, TF card indication, I'm not sure what those are, battery status, and it's like all this and all this is the things that possibly could be displayed. Unbelievable. I am so thankful that Raddy sent me this radio. And like I say, it's brand new. It just now recently, within a week or two, I think, came on the market on Amazon. It sells for $42. And right now, it has an additional 10% off. Unbelievable. And the battery, like I say, is a cell phone battery, and it's 1,000 milliamp battery. Okay, I think that's all I can tell you about it right now, because I'm still learning how to use it. As you can see now, I've got it on, and so the display will stay on because I set it to that mode. And you got these two lights here for looks. Unbelievable. The backlight on the bubble level. Pretty fantastic. We're going to enjoy this radio. It's going to take me a while to learn how to use it because, like I say, for instance, this switch here is multifunction. You can push down to do things. You could slide it from side to side to do things. Like when I was playing the music, I pushed it to the side. That would change tracks. Oh my gosh. It's going to be a learning curve for me. But once you learn how to use it, this thing is so versatile. I want to thank you for watching. Again, this is just an introduction. I'm going to do several videos showing you all the functions and everything as I learn how to use them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.